Hi guys. Whoa. Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Van Austin here, and today I'm gonna listen. This is something scary. It's about scary chimes. Scary chimes is ultra super creepy. It's super creepy. Let's listen. Listen. Yeah, these scary chimes are really creepy. So let's listen. Look how creepy these scary chimes are. Let's listen. Oh my gosh. These scary chimes, it sounds really creepy. Oh my gosh. These scary chimes, it sounds really creepy. Yeah. Yeah. The weird music is that I'm listening to. It's called it's called scary chimes. Yeah, scary chime sounds really creepy. So, guys, if you don't like this video, then just don't watch it. Just don't watch this video, guys, because because these scary chimes sounds really creepy, by the way. So, I'm just letting you guys know what scary chimes sound like. It sounds really spooky and creepy. So goodbye, guys, and have a great day, and I'll see you later.